Good morning, students. So today's class we are going to see diverse perspective from experts and global smart grid initiatives. Okay. So previous class we learned what are the development taken for smart grid. Okay. What is the development and what are the things implemented and what are the goals and objectives like that we have saw in previous class. Okay. And what are the policies like that we discussed in previous class. So today's class we are going to see what are the initiatives taken. Okay, so what are the smart grid initiatives taken in various countries? Okay, so now we can see first you can see smart grid initiatives in India. In India, what are the initiatives taken? That means what are the projects undertaken and what are the things carried out? Okay, so what are the projects we can see in this class? So first is smart grid initiatives in India. So already it told that Government of India, okay, Government of India, it forms a forum and task force that is developed in May 2010. Okay, in May 2010, it forms Smart Grid Task Force. And what is the main objective, main goal means to meet their growing energy demand, isn't it? So energy demand is growing per year, it is increasing. So we have to meet such growing energy demand. So in order to meet this satisfaction, it takes some initiatives, and the main goal or main objective is to provide access, availability and affordability of power for all. So already this objectives we saw in previous class. So each and every development they set some policies, some goals, isn't it? So why we are setting some goals? Because we have to meet this. We have to meet some requirements. So we are setting some goals or objectives. So such way, in here also see what are the aim or what are the goals. So access, availability and affordability of power for all. So already we discussed in previous class, you have to provide the electricity supply to all over the world. That is in rural areas also, isn't it? So we have to provide the electricity supply for all. So that is access. So you have to provide some access and availability. Okay. So availability means we already discussed development of spinning resource. I already told we have to keep maintain some for future purpose also for the savings. So availability. Next, affordability of power for all. Okay. So access, availability and affordability of power for all. This is our main goal or main aim. Now we can see what are the projects undertaken for this. What are the initiatives taken for developing the smart grid? So first see Mangalore pilot project. Okay, first is Mangalore pilot project. So what this project deals? See, this project is in simple form. We can tell it as MESCOM. So what is MESCOM? Mangalore Electricity Supply Company. Okay, that is we simply call it as MESCOM. So this project is initiated in December 2010. Okay, so Mangalore pilot project, we call it as Mangalore pilot project, and this is implemented in December 2010. So what is this objective? Okay, each and every project has some specified objectives or target. So we have to meet this satisfaction. Okay, so what are the objectives? So here the objective is to manage the load. So that is load management and real-time metering. Okay, so this target is to maintain or to manage the load and metering for each 250 installations. There should be real-time metering. That should include the industrial, residential plus street lighting. Okay, so this is our target. So this Mangalore project, it is just implemented in 2010 and it has some certain objectives. Okay, similarly Bangalore pilot project. So this it is called as BESCOM. That is Mangalore Electricity Supply Company. Okay, so this is recently initiated project, and this project deals about 2,000 residential and commercial customers. So if we this project is benefit to 2,000 residential and commercial customers, and it has some special features also. So what is the features? It has a two-way communication process. Okay, so it has the features of two-way communication node and transformer to control power consumption and the increased customer choice. So customer choice is increases. Okay, and also it has a facility to flexibility to extend other part of country. Okay, so it has the features to extend the other part of the countries also. It has it flexibility. So with these features, this pilot project is concentrated. That is Bangalore pilot project. Similarly, next project is Mangalore pilot project. So next is Bangalore pilot project. See, in this project, Maharashtra project. Okay, so this is GIS based system. That is, we know that GIS, geographical interfacing system, isn't it? So this GIS based system, network analysis, that is, it depends upon web based technology. Okay, Maharashtra project, it denotes some GIS based technology. So that is networking. It deals with networking system. That is web based platform. It provides the web based platform. And what is the main objective of this project? So it's based upon the IT applications. Okay, so this project is designed to provide the IT applications such as energy accounting, auditing, and some IT based consumer service centers. Okay, because it is a network related platform, we are providing some IT applications in this project. Okay, enabling some IT technologies. So according to this Maharashtra project, it is carried out in 95 towns under RARDRP. So already we discussed this RAP or DRP. This is one policy, that is one program, reform program that we discussed in development also, isn't it? So according to this, 95 towns, they are carried out, this project is undergoing. And what is the main objective of this project? So main objective is to reduce losses. Okay, so to reduce losses and also to reduce energy theft. So this is the main aim in Maharashtra project, and it is web-based technology. You are providing web-based technology and you are enabling IT applications. Okay. Okay, next Kerala. So Kerala project, that is KEPCO knowledge, data and network. So this is the main thing. Here our aim or our objective is same as previous. That is, we are going to prevent energy theft and thereby reducing the losses. So if we reduce the losses, surely efficiency increases. Okay. So in this Kerala project, so here we are focusing on to prevent the energy theft and reducing the losses and increasing the efficiency of energy supply. So this is a thing we are focusing. Next is distribution reforms, upgrades and management project. Shortly we called it as DRUM project. So here we are using in this case we are using many short forms. So you should be aware of it. Okay. So DRUM project, what does they mean? Distribution reforms, upgrades and management project. Okay, so you can see this now. So it was a joint venture between that USAID. What is the full form? US Agency for International Development. So that is USAID. So it has combined features. It has a joint collaboration with Ministry of Power, and collaboratively it leads this project, and from the year 2003 to 2010. So what is the thing it focusing? Here it deals with pilot projects. So what is the thing means? So it will provide, we are focusing whether the electrical services is provided to all over the world. So whether the electricity services can be accessed to all over the world. Okay. So that is we are focusing now. So you have to provide quality of electric services. Okay. So where in rural sectors also. So we have to ensure that whether the electricity is provided to rural sectors and all over the thing. Okay. So it is our main focus, main aim to provide affordable powers to all. So here, what are the actions taken means 4 pilot projects were started. Okay, so 4 pilot programs were initiated. So from what are the thing means from North Delhi, Bangalore, Gujarat, Maharashtra. So these 4 places we are focusing and providing 4 pilot program. Okay, so what is the main thing? It will focus whether any electricity should be extended or any places whether it is there is shortage of providing electricity or not. Like that we are ensuring through pilots. So we are focusing whether the electricity is provided abundantly to all over the states. Okay. So next thing, what is our aim is whether we can able to reduce the losses and whether you can able to improve the reliability. So we are ensuring that also. So here, over 25,000 utilities, that is 25,000 staff were trained in this period, and they are provided some skills and adapting this project. Okay. So this drum projects is what this other thing initiated. So next we can see Rabi Rashmi Abbasan housing project. Okay. So here in this project was started in 2008. Okay, this project was started in 2008. So what is the focus here? So to provide net metering in India, and it provides rooftop solar installation. So this suggests the rooftop solar installation to be adapted. Okay, so this project deals with that. Similarly, habitat and balance energy. So this also same thing. So it is located in Hyderabad. Okay, it is located in Hyderabad in the year 2009, and it also involves the rooftop solar installations only. Okay, so Rabi Rashmi and habitat balance energy. So these 2 projects, it deals with solar installation to generating the energy. Okay, so this project deals with solar installation. So next we can see smart grid initiatives in China. Okay, so these projects we see in India. In India, what are the projects are initiated and what are the objectives? Okay, so this we discussed in India. Now we are going to see in China. In China, what are the initiatives taken to develop smart grid? Okay, so see in smart grid in China. In China, first the project is demonstrated by carried out in 655 households and 11 buildings. So first it is demonstrated by taking the project of 655 household and 11 buildings. Okay, so this is the first demonstration community that is built in North China. Okay, that we called it as North China Power Grid. So what this project focus means? It focus on low voltage electricity usage network. Okay. Then smart household installment and energy storage. Okay. So in this project, this is developed and implemented by Honeywell, that is, which is the China's first smart grid pilot project. So this is the first smart grid pilot project undergoing, and this mainly focus on the feasibility study and monitoring. So that is automatic monitor and control actions are carried out here with advanced energy management. So here we are adapting automatic control and we are enabling advanced energy management and submeterings also. Okay, so this is the first project undergoing in China. So then we can focus another thing. So National Wind Power Integration Research and Test Center of China. Okay, so in this project, so what is the thing here in this project? It aims at developing the renewable energy. Okay, this project, it aims at improving renewable energy project is at improving the renewable energy, that is clean energy storage. Okay, you are preferring here still and specific capacity also. Okay, so we are targeting some capacity. So what is the capacity? So we are going to install 30 turbines, 78 megawatt. Okay, but we are targeting 78 megawatt capacity. So through solar, 40 megawatt of capacity. So we are 2.5 of energy, which is storage. For this, we are focusing. So we are creating renewable energy here. So in renewable energy, so what are renewable energy? Wind, solar, isn't it? So by using this, focusing we are targeting some capacity range. So by using wind, we are providing, we are aiming 78 megawatt of generating capacity. And similarly, by solar, we are aiming 140 kilowatt. And the storage, energy storage is 2.5 megawatt. The thing in so next is power system real time simulation device. Okay, power system digital simulation device. So what is the thing? So here the real time simulation. So here we are using providing some software, that is simulation device. We are using some simulating device and providing here with the simulating, we are generating 1,000 generators and 10,000 bus bars. Okay, device 1,000 10,000 bus bars. So by developing this, our equipment tests for safe and stable operation. Okay, so this large wide range of control scheme is adapted here. Okay, so wide range of control can be obtained here. Okay, so this is the benefit. Next project is 1000 kilowatt Jingdongen ultra high voltage, that is UHV AC pilot project. Okay. So project this project consists of the construction of single line. Okay, single line of 640 kilometers. Okay. So it has a capacity of generating 6000 mega voltage MVA and an operating voltage of 1100 kV. Okay. Next is 800 plus or minus 800 kilovolt UHV DC transmission pilot project. Okay. So it consists of UHV line, transmission line, and DC, and it has the capacity to provide long distance transmission. And next is 660 kV DC project. Okay. So this is approved in November 2010, and the main focus is to provide a transmission of supply. That is last 4 things. Okay, this project is carried out based on the transmission line. Okay, so for how it is generating, for how much kilometer and how much distance it can able to transmit, and it focus on the generating capacity also. So the last 4 things, it depends upon the transmission capacity. Okay, so it is given by this names also, as this is China project, it is given with that name. Okay, and official Tibet project means, so here it is constructed by 750 kV project, and it also focusing everything. It has some focus, that is it has some main aim. Okay, so here this project is, they are expecting that it will come to end by the last 4 is the transmission line basis. Okay, so transmission line, so how the capacity and how the transmission is carried out, like that it is discussed in this 4 topics. Okay, so these are the things what are the things we discussed now. We discussed what are the smart grid initiatives taken in India and what are the smart grid initiatives taken in China. Okay, so these are the things we discussed now. So remaining things we can see in next class. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, students.